Are you an ethical hacking trainer looking to take your business to the next level? Do you want to create your own training app but lack the technical skills to do so? Introducing Oogyy's App Builder, the all-in-one solution to your problems. You can now create your own ethical hacking training app without any coding knowledge with Oogyy. Our platform offers a range of features, including a user-friendly course builder, a fully functioning resource library, and all in-app features and more. Create, market, and sell your ethical hacking courses with your own app. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and take your ethical hacking training business to new heights.